Stop scrolling! Did you know your car could literally save your butt during a blackout? Not kidding! Your car might be the superhero your house needs. Alright, picture this. It's 3 a.m., your lights go out, your ice cream's melting, and you're panicking. But wait, your car could be your secret home battery? Yeah, like rolling Tesla Powerwall, but way cooler. Now I know what you're thinking. You've lost your mind. My car? Power my house? Yep. Welcome to the energy revolution, my friend. Here's the juicy part. Most modern EVs, Ford F-150 Lightning, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Tesla Cybertruck, have bidirectional charging. Translation: juice goes both ways. Instead of just charging up, they can send power back, straight to your house. Imagine charging your car at night when electricity is cheap, then running your fridge lights and even your Wi-Fi during the day. Or flexing at the next neighborhood BBQ. Yo, my car's running the grill and the tunes. But hold up, here's the catch. Not every EV can do this yet. You need the right hardware, smart home setup, and unless you want to play with fire, literally, a pro electrician. So why isn't everyone doing this? Old school gas cars can't do it. And you gotta shell out for special charging stations. But as tech gets cheaper, this'll blow up faster than a TikTok dance trend. Now, quick poll: if your car could save you during a blackout, would you use it? Comment yes or nope below. And hey, like this video if you want to see me try powering my house with a car next time. Subscribe for more crazy tech hacks, because who knows, maybe next week I'll power my toaster with a potato. Go share this with a friend who's always low on battery, and I'll catch you on the next viral ride. Stay charged.